Hello, this is Rohit Vinay here, and in this channel you can see my digital painting videos and the equipment I used to do it with. If you're new to this channel, I post weekly videos, be sure to like and subscribe. It relaxes me to paint hard surfaces like metal, wood, and I went snowboarding recently. So I thought I would begin painting today the Fortnite drift board, and I wanted to update you guys on the things I've planned for the year 2019. I began YouTube in September of 2018 and have gotten pretty good response since then, doing what I do. Before I tell you why I started this YouTube channel, let me tell you a bit about myself. You know, my name is Rohit Vinay. I'm 29 years old, and professionally I've been a graphic designer for about 6 to 7 years. And I run a small design company. We do graphic design, online branding, website design, those sort of stuff. I've been drawing and painting since my childhood, and art has been my passion ever since. That is the reason I started my design company. I'm very happy doing what I do with my company and my graphic design. One of my goals has always been to be a concept artist, and I would like to steer my company towards that in the near future. And over the past few years, I've been really busy with my clients' work, and I lost touch with doing concept art. I felt like I needed a platform where it would push me to do concept art regularly and be accountable to myself, so that I focus on doing at least one concept art a week. And that is kind of the main reason I started YouTube. I follow a lot of concept artists like Andy Park, Jake Bunyan, and many others. And I would one day like to be on par with their artwork and maybe get in touch with them and do some work for them. And this is my story on why I started doing YouTube. Having said that, I have a lot of things planned for 2019. I would like to begin with a bunch of concept art for the upcoming movies like Avengers Endgame, Captain Marvel, Spider-Man Far From Home, and many others. I would also like to explore 3D design, 3D concept art. So I will be beginning working with ZBrush. And one of my goals for 2019 is to create an animated short film. That's something me and my colleagues have been discussing for a long time, so that is something which I'd really like to do. Recently I enrolled myself into Pencil Footwear Academy, and I completed the course last month, so I can say I'm officially a certified footwear designer. So I will be definitely working on a personal project to design my own footwear and for my close friends. So if that's something you guys would be interested in, let me know. I don't plan on doing YouTube videos on that just yet, but if that's something you guys would be interested, I'll definitely work on that. So please know about that in the comments below. For now, these are kind of the things I'm working on, and I would like to post it online. So hopefully by the end of the year, I would become a much better concept artist and in all the work I do. And while having this conversation, I finished my Fortnite drift board. I took up this project just so I get a chance to work on some hard surfaces, get back into doing some metal. That's something I'm comfortable with, so I wanted to begin the year on a good note. And like I've mentioned before, I'm pretty active on social media. I'm active on Twitter and Instagram. I post the stuff that I'm working on over there, and also the stuff I like. So stay tuned to my channel, like and subscribe. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.